at them. Look, they're on their private boat, sailing away, living their best life, free in the open seas, in the open water. I think that's like a, oh, wait a minute. I think they're about to have a race. Hold on. Yeah, I think they're about to have a race. Wait, let me see if I can drive over there. I think they're about to have a race. Like a, what is it called? A regatta boat race, or what kind of boats are those? Raft? A raft? I don't know. But they could get ready to have a race. Okay, well, I came just in time for the festivities. Yeah, I think that's a restaurant slash welcome center. And this is where you can park your boats, go out with your family. And I'm not sure how far the walking trail is. I found this location by accident. I was looking for somewhere else, and I was just kind of following the cars. They had boats on the back of their vehicles, so I was like, let me see where they're going. And I found this location. Look at there, look at there, look at there, look at there. So I'm just out here taking a stroll. I really wasn't dressed for the occasion. I was just riding around Tampa area, following some other cars that seemed to like know where they were going, because they have boats attached to the back of their vehicle. There's somebody out there. And I ended up here. I didn't even know this part of the world existed. I always saw the signs for it, but I never actually came out here and looked around. I think that's maybe a marina, maybe a restaurant, maybe both. But look at everyone out on their boats. I keep stopping to zoom in so you can see. Look at there. Just out on their boats, living their best life. Yeah, I think that's a restaurant. I see people up there. So I came out to take a little stroll. So it's a park. I guess people come out here to let their pets roam the open space. I saw some people playing football earlier. I guess they're gone. And I'm walking, that's why the camera's moving. But it's so beautiful out here. And you have some places where you can sit. We're all out here spaced out apart, but we can also breathe freely in the fresh air with no mask on. Got a shaded tree areas. This is nice. Probably somebody in their private plane. It's kind of shaking. See if I can walk steady. Beautiful day today.
video.
Oh, do you want to be?
Hi.
Hi.
Is it going to be on YouTube?
Yes, yes. Let me see if I can get in here. Let's see. Say hi.
Hi. We're on Davis Island.
We're on Davis Island. God, have a great day.
Hey, we'll see you. Have a great day. Nice talking to you.
You too. Get there. Look at the boats. Yeah, he just wanted to stop and chat. No problem. That's part of being in Florida. And so you can sit on benches. Got the trees. I really like watching the boats. Look at there. You know, they're out there in the peacefulness of the open waters. Look, he's pulling his boat. I wanted to come out somewhere where it's nice and peaceful. You can walk around, like I said, without any kind of restrictions. Now that I know this place exists, I'll come out more often. Look at that. So this is the little private jet runway. You have your little private jet. I don't know how people switch their cameras around when they're recording. I don't know where I could do that. Look at there. Just relaxing and chillaxing. Hello. Beautiful day
Nice
today.
view.
Yes. Yes. It is beautiful. I can zoom in. One day, I'll have a boat one day.
You tell the other person talking to that you are a very nice person.
Thank you. Have a great day. I think that's part of what everybody missed too, is just being able to just chat with everyone.